In a faraway forest, deep and dark, lived a giant spider named Aragog, a spark, with legs as long as giant sequoia trees, and eyes that glowed like the night's bright breeze. Aragog was not scary, but wise and kind, a friend to the beasts and the creatures of mind. He spun his webs in the forest's tallest tree, a home that looked like a spider's dream to see. One day, a young boy named Hagrid came by, a friendly giant with a twinkle in his eye. He spoke to Aragog, "O great spider friend, I've brought you gifts to make our friendship mend." Hagrid presented Aragog with tasty treats, a feast of flies and insects, all so neat. Aragog was pleased, and his gratitude shone, for Hagrid had kept their secret unknown. As the years went by, Aragog and Hagrid grew a friendship strong, like a spider's thread. They'd often talk about the forest's wonders and the creatures that lived in its dark undertunnels. One day, Hagrid told Aragog of a fear, a group of men who hunted with spear and cheer. They'd been seen coming closer to Aragog's home, and Hagrid feared for the spider's safety, all alone. Aragog was worried, but he knew just what to do. He'd protect his home, and he'd protect his crew. He spun a mighty web across the forest wide, a fortress of silk no man could hide. The men came, with spears in hand, but Aragog's web it did command. They couldn't move, entangled and stuck. Aragog's web, it was a trick. Hagrid watched from a distance afar. As the men struggled, it seemed like a war. But Aragog knew it was just a ruse. To protect his forest, it was his choice. Finally, the men gave up their fight and left the forest in the dead of night. Aragog was glad, his friends were safe. He'd done what he had to, no matter the wave. From that day forth, Aragog was hailed as the hero of the forest. The tale was untailed. He lived out his days in the forest's heart, with Hagrid, his friend, and his loving start. So, let this story remind you all of the power of friendship, strong and tall. And never forget the wisdom of Aragog, who protected the forest like a noble spider dog.